probably already noticed, but I'm at Johnston Canyon, and it's December, so the falls will be partially frozen, and that's kind of a bucket list item for me. I've always wanted to be here and photograph the falls when they're partially frozen. And so Johnston Canyon, it's a pretty short but beautiful little hike up to the upper falls and the lower falls. The first stop that we're going to try to shoot today is the upper falls. That's the real beautiful winter shot. And then I think what I'll try to do, time permitting, is head towards the lower falls, which are just basically a kilometer further up. I was up here in October and I took a little footage, shot a couple of photos, looked for the secret falls. Couldn't find it, but maybe I'll cut some of that footage in now so I'll get a chance to use it. So yeah, I'm hiking up to the second falls at Johnston Canyon right now. Bypassed the first falls because they look like there are 3 or 4 people, and that's not a lot for Johnston Canyon, but I just don't want to be there at the same time. The plan today is to hike down and visit the cave just at the upper falls, or lower falls, or whichever way is the second falls. Never did quite understand upper and lower, but that's how it goes. Okay, back to today, and I'll show you what this kind of crazy place looks like. So beautiful here. Okay, made it to the upper falls. And it's pretty awesome. We're going to try to find a spot to set up and shoot, and then fire away. So yeah, I took shots from 3 locations. One, I'll just show you where they are. I sort of progressively moved closer to the waterfall. The last was actually through the little cave entrance where everyone goes, but I'll show you the 3 shots that I took. So the first one was right here with this railing, sort of the corner of this railing shooting in. The second location was toward the left end of the bridge, facing the waterfall. Just gives you a slightly different angle, and I'll show you that right now. And then the last spot, I just showed you a clip that has the little cave entrance. You just go right in through there, and it's basically the only shot you can take. So there's not much room over there, and it's really icy getting in. But those are the shots that I wanted this morning, and so now it's a question of whether I continue up the path or head back home. I think I'm gonna head home, and all in all, it's been a pretty good trip. And yeah, like I said at the beginning, this was a bucket list item for me to get this location in the winter when things are frozen up. So now it's time to sort of skate slide all the way back. Super awesome today. Yeah, like I said, super awesome. Pretty much everyone you pass on the path is saying hi and good morning and big smiles, and why not when it's as beautiful as this is today. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. Getting close to the car. Watching out for the ice or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. By way of exiting this video, I encourage you to, if you liked it anyway, if you didn't, well, that's another story, but if you liked it, hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make these to encourage my own shooting, whether you like them or not. So there you go. Take care.